Do you want to know how you can log into your Rapid AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your rapid.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Rapid AI Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Rapid AI. What you need to do is write down your username or email address in this box, and if it is registered with Rapid AI, you can click next and then you can write down your password. So to write down your password, go ahead and click on this box over here, click login, and then you can successfully log in to your Rapid AI. If you want to clear this, go ahead and click on this cross button and whatever you had written will be cleared. You can hide or unhide the password by clicking on this eye icon, and if you have in case forgotten your account password, go ahead and click forgot password, write down your username or email address, click next, and a mail will be sent to you by rapid.ai to reset your password. So go ahead and check your mail associated to your account to get your reset password link, and then you can reset your password of Rapid AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.